totoo yan. It's like making Christmas spiritual, no?
Yes.
Ensuring that this is not just about the gifts, not about the tradition, but it's beyond that. That
Yeah.
reflects your identity as as a Christian.
Kasi ano naman bro, 'di ba? Kung tutuusin, nung unang Christmas nga, wala naman talagang walang masyadong ganap. 'Di ba? It was quiet, it was very holy, and the real that's why kasi nga we take out all the fanfare, all that's why I love the idea of Christmas kasi it doesn't require all of these fancy elements that
Mm-mm.
we see now just to make it Christmas.
Yan.
Kasi hindi yun talaga yung meaning ng Pasko, 'di ba?
Wow. Very deep, bro. That's true. And then just to finalize that, no, as kingdom builders, yan talaga namang pinasok ko pa, no. How do we show to our community, to our people, na as a Christian builder, how do you emphasize that during Christmas? Kasi it's who should be your identity. Na Christmas is something that should be celebrated as a kingdom builder.
Yeah, and I think I will just emphasize ko din sa sinabi ko earlier. There is this verse that says that we will be known by the world that we are followers of Jesus by how we love others. And I think that's just, to me, the most important thing, especially during sa Pasko. Again, lahat ng lights at saka
Decorations.
glitters dyan and whatever, music, everything. Tanggalin mo lahat. Walang kwenta yan kapag walang message of love.
Yeah.
Na ano pang gawin mo,
Mm.
hindi naman siya out of love, wala ding kwenta.
Yeah.
Yun lang, I think, hindi lang yun lang, yun ang pinaka-importante, di ba? We come into this season, we come into Christmas, we position ourselves as agents of love, and that's how we can influence and spread more of God's love to the world. So, yun
Very.
lang naman ang akin.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Norbert, for that. And thank you guys so much for listening for this episode here in Pinoy Husbands. And we have some announcements to make. So upcoming for next year. Would you like to start, Norbert?
Yes. Oh, mga Pinoy husbands, salamat po sa inyong pagtutok at pagsali sa amin sa buong taon.